This is where broke people come to feel rich for one afternoon and sign away the next 7 years. Welcome to the crime scene. Listen here, you payment-brained The dealership does not sell cars. It sells monthly payments, and you fall for it every single time. Tonight, the paperwork faces the other way. Trick number 1, the 4 square. They juggle your trade, your payment, and the price on one sheet so you can't tell where they're screwing you. Answer: everywhere. You negotiate one number, the out-the-door price, total, everything. If the guy asks what payment works for you, get up and leave. Walking away is a weapon. Use it. Trick 2, the 84-month loan, 7 years, on a thing that loses value the second it moves. That's not financing. That's a hostage situation with cup holders. The rule is 20-4-10. 20% down. 4-year loan max. All car costs under 10% of your income. Break it and the truck owns you. Denied. A $60,000 truck on a $45,000 salary is not a flex. It's a confession. And this lot is full of confessions on wheels. Trick 3. The used market is where smart money shops. 3-year-old car. Somebody else ate the depreciation. You pay 60 cents on the dollar for 95% of the car. That's not settling, genius. That's math. Watch the masterwork. I could buy this entire dealership with my walking around money, and I still wouldn't finance a truck for 7 years. What's your excuse? Out the door price only. 20-4-10. Buy used, 3 years old, and walk away twice before you sign anything. Now go unfinance your life, you beautiful idiots. You're welcome, peasants.